How's it going, everybody? This is Alex back with another video. In today's unboxing, we got the Xbox One X. Let's get into it. Throw this to the side. Here's the front of the box. Side of the box. Here's the back. Here's the other side. To open it, you flip the top up. On the top of the box, you are greeted with a couple booklets. This over here. The first one is the usual manual. The second one is your Game Pass. Third one, Xbox Live. And then the Fallen Order. Put all these to the side. Okay. On the side of the box, when you open it up, you got your power cable. If you have the Xbox One S, it's the same power cable. You don't have to use the power brick. On this side, you're greeted with your HDMI cable. And then in the middle, you're greeted with the Xbox One X controller. Let's open it. Be careful with it. Set that to the side. And here is your Xbox One X controller. It's a standard black with upgraded firmware. It's got a grippy plastic feel all the way around it with a gloss black finish. And then the home button, I don't know if you can see it that well. It's got a metallic gray silver to it. And inside here, nothing. And then it comes with, you would think he's spending some good money on the Xbox One X. You'd be getting a rechargeable battery pack or something like that, right? Nope. You're greeted with two Duracell AA batteries. Here's the Xbox One X. Holy crap, that's heavy. Nothing else inside the box. We'll set the box to the side. Take off these foam inserts. Man, this thing's heavy. Holy crap, that looks nice. That is nice. It's a matte black finish, Xbox One X. On the back of it, you got your power cable, your two HDMI cables, HDMI in from the TV, or HDMI out to the TV, and then you're in, and then you got your USB drives, ports, video or audio, and then your optical video, and then over here you have your Ethernet cable. Other than that, nothing much different. If you have all the same cords from the Xbox One S, they will work with this. This thing is nice. So when you get the Xbox One X, this is what you get in the box. 2 batteries. and your booklets. This thing is pretty nice. The top of it is sleek, clean. There's no there's no vent fan or nothing on the top. You got your vent port on the side, your vent port on this side and the back. I will throw the link in the description on where to buy this, the specs, and everything else on it. But this was just the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe. It's what keeps me going. It's what keeps me wanting to do more videos and stuff. And also, this Xbox One X does support true, I think it's 60 frames a second on 4K. And it's got a 4K Blu-ray player built in. Alrighty. I'm just excited. I want to turn this on and get it up to date and play it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment below on what other videos you want me to update or upload or do. Thank you. Have a good one. As I sit here and fail while I'm trying to get my camera to stop working.